the myofibril or the myofilament has got alternate dark and light striations because of two contractile proteins in them, actin and myosin. So these bands are called isotropic band and anisotropic band. So the isotropic band is otherwise called I band. Anisotropic band is called A band. Now I band is made up of actin, whereas anisotropic band or A band is made up of myosin. It is a slight confusing because usually children think A band is made up of actin. No, A band is made up of myosin. Actin form I band or the isotropic band, or this is the light band, whereas this is the dark side. Okay, so here this is because of these two proteins. Now, how are they arranged? We will see that. So suppose this is a dark band. I am drawing the dark bands. So what can we call this dark band? This is A band. In the center of the dark band, it is connected by M line. Alternating with this, there are light bands or the actin. These are the actin band, they are the thin filaments, whereas myosin is a thick filament. Connecting this, there is a zigzag line here also. This is called a Z line. Connecting which band? Connecting the I band or the isotropic. This is I band. This also I band. So connecting I band together, there is Z line. Now if you see the distance between two adjacent Z line, that is from this Z line to this Z line, this is called a sarcomere. So sarcomere is the structural and functional unit of contraction of muscle. You know, our body, even though trillions of cells are there, each cell is functioning its own to make us alive. That's why cell is called a structural and functional unit of life. In the kidney, millions of nephrons are working together to filter the blood. They are the structural and functional unit of kidney. The same way, though the entire muscle contraction happens, but actually what is happening, the contraction within these two Z lines or the sarcomere, that's why this is called a functional unit of muscle contraction. Now you can see that the edges of the thick band or the A band are overlapped by the I band. Only this middle part is not overlapped. So the part which is not overlapped is known as H zone. So here we came across A band or the thick band made up of myosin in the middle, I band or thin band made up of actin on sides overlapping the edges of the A band. Then there is Z line connecting the actin filaments together and M line connecting the myosin filaments together. And the part of the A band which is not overlapped is by the I band is called the H zone. And the distance between two consecutive Z line is called a sarcomere, which is the functional unit of contraction.